What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to speed up Google Chrome downloads on your Windows PC. Let's go through some quick, effective steps to improve your download speeds. Start by opening your Chrome browser. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of your screen to access Chrome's menu. In the drop-down menu, select Settings, which will open the Settings tab. In the left side panel of the Settings page, click on Privacy and Security. Under this section, choose the Security option, which will take you to a page where you can adjust security settings for Chrome. Scroll down to find the Use Secure DNS setting. Make sure it's toggled on, and then next to Select DNS Provider, click on the drop-down menu. You will see a list of popular DNS providers like Google Public DNS and Cloudflare. Select one from the list, or you can enter a specific DNS address if you have one in mind. Switching to a fast DNS provider may give a slight boost to download speeds, as it can reduce latency during data transfers. Next, let's adjust background settings that may be slowing down Chrome's performance. While still in the Settings page, find the System tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Under System, disable the option labeled Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Disabling this option stops Chrome from using extra bandwidth and resources when it's closed, freeing up bandwidth that can be directed to your downloads. Now, let's address any unused or unnecessary extensions, as these can also affect download performance. Head back to the three dots in the upper right corner, open the menu, and navigate to Extensions and select Manage Extensions. In the Extensions tab, review the extensions you have installed. Extensions can consume resources in the background, potentially impacting Chrome's performance. For any extensions you no longer use, consider clicking Remove to delete it entirely. Removing extensions rather than disabling them will ensure they are not occupying resources, improving Chrome's efficiency. Finally, let's enable an experimental feature called parallel downloading to speed up downloads. In the Chrome address bar, type Chrome://flags and hit Enter. This will take you to Chrome's Flags page, where you can enable or disable experimental features. In the Experiments tab, locate the search box and type Parallel Downloading. When it appears in the search results, click on the drop-down menu next to it and set it to Enabled. Parallel downloading works by splitting files into smaller parts, downloading them simultaneously, and then combining them once finished. This can significantly boost download speeds, especially for larger files. After enabling it, you'll be prompted to relaunch Chrome to apply the change. Go ahead and relaunch Chrome. You should now see an improvement in your download speeds. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.